Hello everyone, if you're getting high CPU usage in Battlefield 6, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix high CPU usage in Battlefield 6. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your notepad and then you're going to put these commands in here. I'm going to put these commands into the description of the video. Now what you need to do is you need to open up Task Manager. So come here and then open Task Manager up, go into Performance, go into your CPU. So here at the first line, you need to write how many cores your CPU has. So just write the cores from here to here. And then here, you need to write how many logical processors your CPU has. So I have 12. I'm going to write 12 here. And after that, you're going to go to your games platform. And then you're going to go to your Battlefield 6 directory. So go into Properties, Installed Files, click on Browse on here. And now what you need to do is you need to click Save As on here and set it to user.cfg. Set text documents to all files, click save on here, and now just copy that notepad file that you saved onto your Battlefield 6 directory and paste it on here. And after you do that, now what you're going to do is you're going to open up NVIDIA control panel by right clicking on your desktop, go into NVIDIA control panel, and then what you need to do is you need to go into manage 3D settings and set low latency mode to ultra. So set this to ultra, and now you can go ahead and play Battlefield 6 and you won't get that high CPU usage anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.